Hello my friends, so welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use this Multicolor Paracord 550. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet, I am wearing today the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Now from here I'm going to take the ends of our strand, pull them together to find the center. And now when we find the center, take the ends, pull them, measure your wrist, so we need to pull it a bit more. This will be enough. As you can see, it can easily slip through of our wrist, so this will be the length of a bracelet. Now as you can see here, this is the top end and this is the bottom end. I'm gonna pinch it, and from here let me zoom a bit. Okay, now we're gonna turn it like this. This is the way. Okay, now we're gonna turn it and around this strand, and from here around this one too. Now we're gonna take the right side strand, place it on top of these two strands in the middle, with the left side strand around the right side strand, and from the back through the loop on the right. We're gonna tie it a bit to secure our knots here, to secure our bracelet core. This will be enough. And here I'm gonna pull this a bit to have a little loop here. And now we're gonna turn it around and pull this strand through, this one also. As you can see, we're gonna proceed. Take the left side strand, place it on top of the two strands in the middle, then with the right side strand on top of the left side strand, around from the back through the loop on the left, pull it. So as you can see, the perfect paracord bracelet without the stop knots or buckles. Simple, fast and easy. Just pull this side here and the bracelet is on your wrist. You can put this under to hide it, like so. And as you can see, we made it fast, simple and easy. So if you like this project, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!